In his book, Who Am I?, Sri Ramana addressed questions on the nature of the mind. What is the nature of the mind? Sri Ramana says, what is called mind is a wondrous power residing in the self. It causes all thoughts to arise. Thought is the nature of mind. If there are no thoughts, there is no mind. If there are no thoughts, there is no independent entity called the world. In deep sleep, there are no thoughts and there is no world. In the states of waking and dream, there are thoughts and there is a world also. The spider emits a thread out of itself and again withdraws it into itself. Likewise, the mind projects the world out of itself and again resolves it into itself. When the mind comes out of the self, the world appears. Therefore, when the world appears, the self does not appear, and when the self appears, the world does not appear. When one persistently inquires into the nature of the mind will end leaving the self as the residue. By the inquiry, who am I? All of the thoughts are destroyed and there will arise self-realization.